Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making some hot Cheetos mozzarella bites. Keep watching to see how we make it. For today's recipe, we're going to be using garlic powder, salt, 2 eggs, some all-purpose flour, hot Cheetos, and mozzarella sticks. First, we're gonna go ahead and crush some of the hot Cheetos in the food processor. Once our hot Cheetos are all crushed, we're going to beat the 2 eggs and put them separately, as well as the flour, and we're going to add the seasonings so that we can make the mozzarella sticks. Once we have passed the mozzarella sticks through all of the ingredients, we're going to preheat our air fryer to 390 degrees and we're going to fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is the final result. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Let's see how it turned out. Amazing.